Hello college students, my name is Jose Duarte. I'm the chef owner of Taranta restaurant in the North End, and today I will show you how to make a very simple, easy recipe that you can make in your dorm and you can invite some friends for a little snack, etc. So the first ingredient that we will use today will be these giant Peruvian lima beans. We're going to take about 1.5 cups of giant Peruvian lima beans and we're going to place it inside of the crock pot without anything. Then we'll add a bit of water, about 1.5 cups of water. And you can buy some organic, low sodium vegetable stock or chicken stock, your preference, and add some of that as well into the container. Then you'll go ahead and cover it, turn it on for about 6 hours or 5.5 hours. So now 6 hours have passed in amazing time, and we have these delicious beans. Remember how the beans were before? Look, they're nice and giant. They're payares in Peru. Once we have our payares beans cooked, let's make a very nice soup. So we'll need a little bit of garlic, those celery sticks, you can dice them a little bit, and those carrot sticks, a bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic, and we have a little bit of diced potato with carrots and celery. We just put in there. And we let it cook for about, I will say, 1 minute or so. Just let it, the olive oil get all those flavors, roast the vegetables themselves. And then we add some of these wonderful giant Peruvian lima beans in there. Some vegetable stock, chicken stock, whatever your heart's desire. And you're going to bring it to a boil. And then we'll use a pasture-raised egg. Once it's boiling, you can just crack it, put it in there. Wait about 30-40 seconds because it's going to be really hot, and then you can pick it up. We'll go ahead and plate it. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, okay? Now, you can also add a little lace of extra virgin olive oil in there, and you have a perfect soup. Now, my favorite thing in this soup is the egg. Look at that. Oh boy, this is delicious. I love that yolk.